Hello friends, welcome back. So in this video, I will be talking about biogas plant working model, how this biogas plant working model really works. We have built the cow shed as well as we kept the cows here. And whenever this cow dung it releases, what we do is we are going to put it into this slurry tank. Here, the slurry tank contains cow dung plus water. So we will mix this so that it becomes in a liquid form. So when this liquid form, we send it to the biogas plant where this goes to the digester tank. So in the digester tank, what it does is here, in the digester tanks, so a lot of bacteria will be there. So here the bacteria is going to decompose the waste without the oxygen, because the oxygen won't be there here. So without oxygen, the bacteria will decompose whatever we send the slurry here. So outcome of that decomposition, what happens is it generates a gas. That gas called as a methane gas is produced. So methane gas will produce and it will get collected in this gas storage tank. Now when the gas is getting collected here, so we also kept the gas outlet. That pipeline goes to cooking stove where we will be using that gas for our cooking purpose. And there is another portion of this biogas plant is overflow tanks. So whatever this slurry, once the gas is generated, that will come out from here. This we can use it for organic fertilizer for all our agricultural needs. And this biogas generation from this biogas plant is completely eco-friendly in nature and which is renewable as well. As long as we have cow dung, we can generate the biogas. And this reduces the pollution as well, because we are not depending on any natural gas. Now we are going to demonstrate how this working model really works. So we have simulated the sunlight here with a small ball as well with LED light, as well as we also simulated a gas here by making use of LED light. So this comes as a natural gas here for our cooking needs. So I hope you guys got a clarity what is all about biogas plant working model. If you guys really like this video, please click on like button as well as share with your friends so that they will also get the benefit out of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now. Take care.